All right, everybody. I'm just sharing a service call that I went on today. This is a supply line to an apartment building. This happened. It comes up through the floor in one of the residents' homes.
Yeah. Actually,
So it comes up as like PEX, and it comes into like a union, and it transfers over. It's a copper union, and it transfers over to cpvc. And I'm gonna go ahead and tap in another clip of which we're watching right now. Same issue, just a different building. So it looked like it's going to be a common repair with this setup. So I went ahead, shut the main building off, used my 2-inch pipe cutters, went ahead and cut that, cut the cpvc, cut the PEX, pretty much poured the whole middle piece out. This is what we have right here in our hand, and it's like it's pressed into the PEX. Then we have the union, then we have our cpvc. So after we get that all cut out, I went ahead and cut up all of my pieces. I did a nice mock-up, measured everything up, used my purple pipe cleaner, cleaned everything off, went ahead, hit it with the orange glue. So on the bottle, it says it can sit for about like 30 minutes, and then you can pressure test it up to 100 psi. I went ahead, put everything together, let it sit for like 45 minutes to an hour before I decided to do anything else with it. Just kind of peeking around. So everything's looking good. Just make sure you try to cover, if you're in an occupied home, just make sure you try to cover some stuff up if you can, so it doesn't drip and get everywhere. After my time went past, I went ahead and turned the water on partially, a little less than a half a turn. Make sure I'm getting no leaks. Then go ahead and turn that thing on all the way. And that was pretty much it. The building was down for about 2 hours while I did the repair. And after 48 hours, go ahead and patch and repair everything, get it back to normal, and we all done.